Hello. Okay.
Hi, just coming in extremely late. This video has a lot of audio problems and that's why it took me so long to upload, and I'm just gonna do it. I don't care anymore. I just want the video to be out. So I did add subtitles, so sorry guys. This is just so I can start working on other things and just be done with this project. Okay, thank you for watching.
So the other day I went to, I almost said Dollar Tree, but it wasn't that. I went to Five Below and got a bunch of shit. And I was looking in their craft section and they have resin stuff for $5, so I got that. Pour your own wall art, 2 wooden shapes. You know, I've never done this type of resin stuff before, so I figured, might as well try it. We can make a video out of it. And like for $5, like the fact that you can even get any resin at all for $5 is insane. So there's probably like nothing in there. Oh, it says 1.69 fluid ounces of resin and 0.84 of hardener. So like 2 ounces, 3 ounces. So this is what it comes with. It says 1 bottle of resin, 1 bottle of hardener, 2 shimmer powders, 1 pair of plastic gloves, 1 plastic measuring cup, 1 gold leaf paper, 2 mixing sticks, 2 wooden hexagons, and instructions. So I say we get to it. I mean, this is like not my type of wall art at all, but maybe I can make it cute anyway. We'll figure it out. We'll see. Maybe I'll end up liking it a lot more than I think. Who knows?
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
Maybe one of you people that don't watch this video will want it, and then I'll send it to you. That's an option. So I guess let's get started. I gotta be completely honest, I am recording this voice part months after I recorded this, so I kind of don't remember 100% everything, but like, it's chill and it's still fun. So yeah, here I am just taking everything out of the box. All pretty organized pretty well. We're going over the instructions. Oh, little gold leaf page. Look at that, the hardener is already starting to yellow. That's how you know it's cheap. Or maybe it wasn't 1-to-1, maybe it's like 2-to-1 or something. I don't know, whatever. Either way, I was able to just dump each one in and not have to measure anything out. It didn't matter. So anyway, I decided to get out my drip mat, and I'm like, oh yeah, good idea. I'll make some little things for the hexagons to sit on, and then whatever I do, it can just drip off and catch on that mat underneath it. And then yeah, it'll be easy and fun, and I won't have to like really think about it. I started playing magic cups, but then I decided to put that away, put the gloves on. Time to get to work, Jackie. By the way, this doesn't come with, other than the gloves, it doesn't come with like a mask or anything, so make sure you're wearing one of those, because obviously you can't see me in the video, but I am wearing one. So that's toxic. And here I am just trying to make some type of thing that I don't have to hold it, but it'll let all of the resin come out of it without me having to sit here and hold it for like 15 minutes. And then I can open the other one and have them both simultaneously pour. Relax. Making sure to scrape every side, all the sides, scrape the bottom, get every little bit that is not mixed. Okay, now time to mix those colors. And honestly, I actually really like these colors at Oh yeah, and what you're seeing me do is I'm letting the bubbles rise to the top and then popping them with flame. Which, man, if I had my vacuum chamber back then, sheesh. Like so many bubbles you can see. Oh my god, they're like never ending. Whatever. Fuck it. So I clearly didn't think very hard about this. I should have put probably quite a bit more powder on it. For this color. It's alright, you know, taking this up, you know, mistakes. I made them all. But actually really this color, take it or leave it, but it's fine. And now, time to the magic cups again. And then we set the hexagons on top of that. And then what I'm going to do is, okay, so what I should have done too before this is I should have sanded the hexagons. Did not do that. Definitely should have. Keep that in mind, okay? So then what I decided to do is rip up some of the gold leaf and I put it in both of the colors. Maybe did I just do it in one color? Oh no, I'm having a hell of a time with it. Alright, time to pour the pink. And I'm honestly, like, I remember just totally freestyling, having absolutely no idea what the hell I was going to do. And I also just totally forgot to level the boards before I started this. You know, ADHD is a hell of a thing. Oh yeah, I did put the golden both colors. So anyway, I'm kind of obviously, because I'm not expecting to really keep these or do anything with them, I'm just kind of like testing things out. And the colors look cute together, honestly. Okay at this point. And then I take a popsicle stick and I start swirling them, and I definitely should not have done this either, because then it really messed it up, especially with the one on the right, because that one just looks absolutely insane now, and it didn't look good in the first place, especially because these things are still not even sort of thick. I didn't wait nearly long enough to do these things, so they're still very fluid and moving around too much for you to stay and get the effect that I want. So keep that in mind next time too. I'm not very patient, but I'm working on it. And then also taking the popsicle stick and making sure the resin is covering all the edges, because sometimes the resin needs to be quote unquote invited in. Oh, and by the way, like I was saying, I didn't put enough mica powder in. You can see the wood through this already because I didn't make it opaque enough, and I wish I would not have done that. But you know what? I feel like seeing the wood underneath. Go for it. Do whatever you want. Oh my god, I forgot I did this. Oh, Jesus Christ. I should have just left it alone. Fucking idiot, dude. So yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, let's put these fucking cardboard cardstock flowers in here, because this thing's ugly. This is gonna make it better. No, this was a bad idea. I made it so much uglier with this. Like, what was I thinking? It's too late now. Whatever, I guess. It's not even like off center in it. It's bad. Why did I do that? Like, legitimately, what is in my brain? Maybe it was just like, well, it's ugly, so who cares? Jesus Christ. Okay, just realized I left my fan on. in the very first part of this, but you know what? Fuck it, whatever. So, I finished this. It all feels like regular resin, looks like regular resin. I don't really like what I made, but we'll see how it turns out. It says give it 72 hours to cure, but it'll probably be ready by like tomorrow. Unless this is deep pour, which it kind of seemed like it was like, but I don't know. I don't know. It said I only had 30 minutes to work with it. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'll come back to it tomorrow, check on it. And if it's not ready, then I'll come back to it when it is ready and we'll talk about it.
Stinky!
Okay, thanks. Bye.
What's up, guys? I just did a whole intro and I gotta read it. It's not completely dry, but it's dry enough that I can show you guys what I got going on over here. What I made. It's still my favorite thing I've ever made, by a long shot, or even something I plan on probably keeping. Actually, I'm not gonna keep it, so I'm not gonna do this. I'll probably just put it in like my Goodwill hangers. I know if somebody wants it, you can have it, but like it turned out kind of cool the way that like I put the stickers on there. I definitely didn't put enough mica in there to like cover the wood behind it, but it's fine. It's all stuck to the things I put it on now too. But I'll show you from the top down. So it looks pretty good, like just for what it is, right? Like it's fucking $5 resin. It's literally $5 resin. It came with like a lot, like a good amount of resin too. Like look, if you can see all this amount that like spilled off, like this is still completely covered and there's like all this spill off stuff. So I feel like $5 for resin? That's insane. So if you wanna fucking try something, this is actually the one you should do. Like this is like truly the one you should try if you're gonna do this. Just make sure if you're gonna be doing it, you have your right PPE and stuff. It comes with mostly everything, but it's a good experiment. I feel like they had a couple other ones to try too, but I just like these colors more. I definitely wish I would have put more mica in these to make them more opaque, but it's fine. It doesn't matter because I'm not keeping it. Also, definitely, I thought this thing was level. Absolutely not. Because otherwise this part wouldn't be so bare. But you know, I tried my hardest. I do what I do. I do what I can. If one of you guys wants this shit, go for it. Wait, where'd my vape go? Wait, I lost my vape immediately. Did I drop it? I better not have dropped it, but shit. I dropped one yesterday and it fucking broke, shattered immediately everywhere. I literally just had it in my hand. Where did it go? God is fucking with me, I swear. He's messing with me. He's doing it on purpose. What did I do to deserve this? Oh, did I find it? Did I find it? Wow! Oh, now I see why it wasn't level. See, I fucked up. Learn a lot of things being down here, you know? Fuck, man. This whole place is a goddamn mess. Well, whatever. Anyway, overall, I'm just very impressed with this resin. Like for what it is, it's $5. I'm still gonna let it like dry a little more, see how hard it actually dries, because it's still like kind of sticky, but like it seems pretty solid. The way it's drying, definitely drying more similar to like a deep pour resin. Because I feel like normally it wouldn't be this sticky unless I didn't, you know, mix it all the way, which is extremely possible. Extremely possible. Anyway, go get yourself one of these if you want to try it, just to try something, and you know it's only $5. You don't have to waste fucking, you know, like $100 just getting started, or even like $50. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll post some more stuff. I love making stuff out of resin. I know I don't post as much. Speaking of, I actually have a comedy show coming up on August 11th at Whammy Analog in Echo Park in Los Angeles.
Yeah, did you label them? Yeah, I did. Blindfold. Okay, great.
Please come to that. Tickets are available on Eventbrite. I will post the link in the bio. Watch Hellooooooo Cinema Club on YouTube. Subscribe to me, like me, love me, follow me, worship me, be obsessed with me.
And then, yeah, then not only will your life be fulfilled, but then I'll actually be in it. Okay, thanks, bye.